Where?
Look! By the window.
What?
Look! Oh, by the window on the floor.
Where?
Go look!
Oh, he is. How'd he get in there?
I don't know. I came in here, he was flying around.
Well, I'll get him out. San Diego just scored. They ran back a kick.
Dad did it.
The whole field, 100-yard. Oh.
Just open the door. Open the door.
Well, I'll switch him. I caught one before.
Is it a baby?
No, that's, oh, get a picture of you. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. They get so tired. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're gonna go out. Isn't he cute? Smile. Oh. Come on. You're almost out. You're almost out. You're almost out. Where is he now? Ooh.
Open this thing.
No, because he was cut. Oh, there it is. Tell him. Bird. I'm going to put him out. I'm going to put him out.
Don't let him loose in here.
Well, he's been loose in here. Guy.
Loose in here again.
Go. Ooh, this is real ass.
Kansas over Nebraska with 4:16 to go. Jerry Meyer comes on to quarterback now.